Anthoceras classification. Division Bryophyta. Class Anthoceratopsida. Order Anthoceratales. Family Anthocerataceae. Genus Anthoceras. The class Anthoceratopsida plants shows hornworts. Horn-like structures are developed on the gametophytic thallus. So these type of bryophyta plants are called Anthoceratopsida. Hornworts are placed in the class of Anthoceratopsida. Now, thallus structure of Anthoceras. See, it is the true thallus of Anthoceras. It is the dorsiventral gametophytic thallus. On the gametophytic thallus upper surface, horn-like structures. These horn-like structures are called sporophyte, and dorsiventral structure is called gametophyte. The gametophyte of Anthoceras is dorsiventral. The sporophyte shows horn-like structure. It present on the upper surface of the gametophytic thallus of Anthoceras. So lower part of Anthoceras thallus, rhizoids are present. The gametophytic thallus shows dorsiventral, dorsal side completely green in color. It participated in the photosynthesis. On this gametophytic thallus, gemma cups also present. They participated in the vegetative reproduction. On this gametophytic thallus, horn-like structures are present. That horn-like structures are called sporophyte thallus. The sporophyte is completely parasitic position on the male gametophytic thallus, not male and female gametophytic thallus. Now, thallus TS. The thallus TS shows, thallus TS means thallus transfer section. Anthoceras thallus transfer section. Anthoceras thallus section shows mainly three major portions. One is upper epidermis, lower epidermis, and third one is storage tissue or photosynthetic zone. Upper epidermis present at upper portion, dorsal region of the gametophytic thallus. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. It protected to inner parts and it gives a perfect shape to the Anthoceras thallus. And lower epidermis also made by the rectangular parenchyma cells. These are containing rhizoids. These are mainly helps in fixing of the thallus on the soil surface. At the same time, it helps in the absorption of minerals and water from the soil. Between these two epidermal regions, chloroplast, mesophyll is present. That mesophyll tissue made by chloroplast tissues. The chloroplast present in the mesophyll cells. So these cells are called chlorenchyma cells. Between the upper and lower epidermis, mesophyll is present. That mesophyll made by chlorenchyma tissue. The chlorenchyma tissue containing chloroplast pigments. In each cell of mesophyll, large chloroplast is present. Single large chloroplast is present. Sometimes the chloroplast also present in the upper epidermal cells. In this mesophyll, cavities-like structures are present. That cavities-like structures are occupied by the blue-green algae, like Nosta cannabina. Blue-green algae are present in the active cavity. These are actively symbiosis with gametophytic thallus. The thallus need nitrogen. The nitrogen supplies by the blue-green algae. The blue-green algae need food material. The food material supplied by the thallus. So this type of living position is called symbiosis. It is the thallus TS of Anthoceras.